A day in the life of superhero boy. Hello, I am Superboy. I am from Bogota, Colombia. My child is arepa of cheese. My name is Benjamin and this is my superhero car. My best friend is Super Milk. He is crazy but fun. I wake up at 4 a.m. On Mondays, I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I fly to the university at 7 a.m. I don't need arepas in the morning. I eat empanadas. At 4 p.m., I do my homework with my laser pen. I don't watch TV because I train for battles. I sleep at 11 p.m. because at night I read my digital book, Super Books, in my bed. Superboy, in my world, it's sometimes sunny in the morning, but at night it rains milk, sometimes gravy and white chocolate. In December we have snow in Colombia. I love the snow, but I wear my super jacket, saving people and flying over the city. I know making jokes with super milk. I like dancing champeta in the air, but I hate doing homework on Sundays. I don't mind watching my arepas since it's fun. Fight the villains? No, sometimes taking naps after lunch. Do you ever lose your powers? Never. I always eat chocolate to stay strong. Do you like being a superhero? Of course, I love helping my city. Thanks, my dad. Be kind, be brave, and eat your arepas. Bye bye.